Ever since I stopped throwing away my onion peels, my hair has been growing like never before. And I honestly wished I learned this earlier because I am sure enjoying all the benefits, trust me. Hi, if you are new here, you are highly welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for clicking in. So in this video, I'll be showing you how I used onion peels to grow my hair. I stopped throwing away the onion peels in my kitchen. So in this recipe, I will go ahead to explain what I did here before I start, telling you all the goodies that you'll be getting from the onion peels. In this recipe, you can use 2 medium bulb onions. You just have to take out the peels, but I already have mine because I do keep my onion peels. Okay, you can see this one, it's have a little flesh inside it, but it's dried. I dry them in my kitchen, so whenever I'm cooking, I just take out the peels and store it because I know that I'll be using it for my hair. So after taking out the quantity you need, all you have to do is just to set up your gas in a low heat, and then you add only 1 cup of water in the pot. Then thoroughly wash your onion peels and add inside the pot. In this way, you are going to boil it for 10 minutes. Then allow it to cool. But in this particular recipe, I'm going to be adding some other extra things. Onion peels alone is a very good ingredient to use for hair growth on its own without adding any other extra thing. But if you have been following my hair care videos, once you see those ingredients that I'll be adding to this recipe, you will know exactly why I am adding them. One of those ingredients is rosemary. Rosemary is a very good ingredient for hair growth. It will make your hair fuller and thicker. It will make your hair grow rapidly. Yeah, that's what rosemary does. So if you have rosemary in your kitchen, do well to incorporate it in your hair care, in your Ayurvedic hair care products. Okay, another thing that I will be adding is cloves. Cloves on its own will help to awaken dormant follicles, fight dandruff, reduce premature aging, like premature graying rather, and improve overall hair texture and shine. Clove is a very powerful ingredient for your hair, so that's why I'm adding it. Apart from that, you can also make the onion peels alone without adding all these extras. But if you love to get all those extra benefits, feel free to add them. Okay, after you have added all those things, just allow it to simmer on a low heat for 10 minutes and bring it down to cool.
A few moments later.
Now the water has totally cooled down and you can see the rich yummy hair food or hair tea that we have there, or hair tonic that we have here. Okay, so all you have to do is to separate the juice or the tea from the chaff. Okay, after separating it, you are going to get your spray bottle and add everything into your spray bottle. Okay, and spray generously into your hair. It's best you put your hair in a protective style in order to get the whole benefit of this tonic. Okay, so you are going to spray and allow it to get into your hair follicles and all your scalp and even the hair strands. Like, it's going to soak up your hair strands if you put your hair in the protective style, and it's going to allow you to work on your hair effectively without doing too much. And also it is going to take less quantity of this juice in case you are planning to store it for other days use. Putting your hair in a protective hairstyle will benefit you more when using this than when you just leave your hair like that. Onion peels are rich in antioxidants and sulfur, which helps nourish the scalp, strengthen hair follicles, reduce breakage, and promote thicker and faster hair growth. Onion peels also have antifungal properties, this making it very beneficial for someone looking to get rid of dandruff, which you will see results within 3 to 6 weeks with consistency. Yeah, that's how good it works. Onion peels are very good. If you are the type that doesn't like the smell of the fresh onion, this particular onion peels is best for you. If you are scared of irritations, this onion peels is your go-to. Okay, the high sulfur content in onion peels helps to improve blood circulation to the follicles and assist in collagen production, which is essential for new hair growth. Onion peels contain some antimicrobial properties which helps to combat scalp irritations, scalp infections, and dandruff. Onion peels also helps to prevent premature graying. In fact, all the amazing nutrients in the onion peels helps to strengthen hair strength, reducing breakage and hair thinning. Like your hair is going to be full. If it was thin before, it's going to be thick, it's going to grow. Rosemary, on the other hand, also helps to stimulate blood circulation to the scalps, which promotes growth and strengthen the hair. It will promote hair follicles health and encouraging new, thicker hair growth. Kindly take a moment to like this video if you have not liked it. If you are new here, kindly subscribe and don't forget to turn on your bell notification so that you get notified each time we drop a new video. Okay, after applying this, you are going to gently massage your scalp, massage every part of your scalp to make sure that the liquid penetrates inside it. Then afterwards, you are not going to wash it out. You will go ahead with your favorite oil. This oil is the oil I made, the Ayurvedic oil that I made. I'll be posting the video soonest. Okay, so you are going to apply it. Why you are applying this oil is to help sealing the moisture in the tea or in the water so that it will penetrate and actually do its job. Okay, so I apply the oil in every part of my head. The hairstyle I had here is quite complicating, but I figured my way around it. Please ignore my white face. The heat was absolutely much, so I had to apply white powder because I had rashes all over my face, like heat rashes. But I didn't know it was going to show this much. Anyways, it's part of the video. So that's it. After applying it, making sure that I sealed in all the moisture, I had to apply generously on the hair. Okay, so yeah, I don't know what else to tell you. If you have watched to this extent, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. Please do well to like the video and subscribe if you have not done so. Stay safe and see you in my next video. Bye.